Making a video for YouTube involves several steps, from planning and scripting to filming, editing, and uploading. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you create your YouTube video. 1. Plan your video. Choose a topic. Select a subject that you're passionate about and that resonates with your target audience. Identify your audience. Determine who your target viewers are and what they would like to learn or see. Research. Look for existing content on YouTube to see what works and what doesn't within your niche. 2. Script and storyboard. Outline your content. Create a general outline of what you want to cover in your video. Write a script. Draft a script if your video requires specific dialogue or narration. Make it conversational and engaging. Storyboard. Optional. Sketch out key scenes or shots to visualize how the video will flow. 3. Gather equipment. Camera. Use a good quality camera or smartphone for filming. Microphone. Invest in an external microphone for better audio quality. Lighting. Natural light is great, but consider softbox lights or ring lights for consistency. Tripod or stabilizer. Keep your camera steady for professional looking footage. 4. Filming. Set the scene. Choose a clean and well-lit environment. Consider your background and any props you may need. Camera settings. Adjust your camera settings, resolution, frame rate, according to your content style. Film multiple takes. Record several takes to give yourself options during the editing phase. Be yourself. Speak clearly, maintain good body language, and engage with your audience as if you're talking to a friend. 5. Editing your video. Choose editing software. Use software like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, iMovie, or free options like DaVinci Resolve or HitFilm Express. Import your footage. Organize your clips for easy access during editing. Edit for flow. Cut unnecessary parts, add transitions, and ensure the pacing keeps the audience engaged. Add elements, music and sound effects. Use royalty-free music to enhance your video. Text and graphics. Add titles, lower thirds, and any necessary visual aids. B-roll. Include additional footage to support your main content and keep it visually interesting. 6. Preparing for upload. Create a thumbnail. Design an eye-catching thumbnail that accurately represents your video's content. Write a title. Create a catchy yet informative title that includes relevant keywords for search optimization. Prepare a description. Write a detailed video description that summarizes the content, includes relevant links, and incorporates keywords. Tags. Use relevant tags to help categorize your video and improve its discoverability. 7. Uploading to YouTube. Go to YouTube Studio. Click on the Create button and select Upload Video. Follow the prompts. Fill in the necessary fields such as title, description, thumbnail, and video settings, visibility, age restrictions, etc. Optimize for SEO. Utilize keywords in your title, description, and tags to increase search visibility. 8. Promotion and engagement. Share your video. Promote your video on social media platforms, blogs, and relevant online communities. Engage with viewers. Respond to comments and questions to build a relationship with your audience. Monitor analytics. Use YouTube Analytics to understand how your video is performing and adjust future content accordingly. Seek feedback. Encourage viewers to provide feedback and use it to improve your future videos. Learn and adapt. Continuously improve your skills by learning from analytics, watching tutorials, and observing trends. Conclusion. Creating a successful YouTube video requires thoughtful planning, execution, and ongoing engagement with your audience. By following these steps, you can start building your channel and sharing your content effectively. Good luck.